Well, there was another ship out there, but I missed him with the thermo. I went out there with the thermo, and they shut it off within about 30 seconds of pointing up. You know, as soon as I actually pointed up, straight up, that's when it got shut off. So, and you see him right here. And that was like not even 10 minutes after I came in. Oh, that made me mad. I ran back out the basement door with the thermo on and recording this time, and it was already, there was nothing there for me. So I'm not sure how I'm going to have to go about catching him, but I'm going to have to trick him because he sees my sensor, so I'm not sure how I'm going to get around that. I'm going to have to build a Faraday cage and really hide the signal somehow. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it all into a piece of PVC pipe and wrap it in some tinfoil and, you know, a bunch of layers of tinfoil so they can't see through it, or sheet metal or something. I gotta have something so they won't see, and then it's still gonna make a, you know, the frequency is still gonna come out the end. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully we can find a way to get them on camera. I seen it actually on the thermal camera, but it wasn't on record. There was a sphere that was, I want to say the size of a basketball, and it was just flying above my house. So, and he was already there when I came out the first time. So he shut me off right when I looked up. It let me look around the yard, but as soon as I looked up with it, it shut it off. Well, I turned it right back on, and it came on. And when I looked up, I saw a ball flying away, but it wasn't on record. So, I'm learning here. I'm going to have it on record when I go out or something. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out, though. I appreciate you guys' time. Thanks for watching.